Shri Pandit Bhaskar Subramaniam ji onto the stage to start his performance. And it's a great honor and pleasure to have all these great artists today.
अंदर को नमस्कारम, सबको मेरा प्रणाम। हम अगर इस बॉडी को एक सेल फोन माने तो ये हमारे पीछे बैकबोन के नीचे एक सिम कार्ड है, वो एक्टिवेट होता है और ये परम चैतन्य है ना, उसके साथ में वो जुड़ जाता है। उसको योग बोलते हैं, कनेक्शन। नाउ आई विल सिंग वन श्लोका इन राग देश, उसके बाद एक बंदिश और एक तराना छोटा सा भाग्यश्री राग में गा। सुमुखश्चैकदन्तश्च कपिलो गजकर्णकः लम्बोदरश्च विकटो विघ्ननाशो गणाधिपा धूम्रकेतुर्गणाध्यक्षो भालचन्द्रो गजानना द्वादशैतानि नामानि यः पठेत् शृणुयादपि विद्यारम्भे विवाहे च प्रवेशे निर्गमे तथा संग्रामे संकटेश्चैव विघ्नस्तस्य न जायते। We all are very happy to invite you new seekers, because we as well as new seekers are not ordinary people. You have come here after 7 birth. Imagine that. So Sri Mataji has given us this great opportunity to get our realization in this birth. So I welcome you all. Now I will sing a bandish in Rag Bhageshwari. निर्मला माँ के शरण में, निर्मला माँ के शरण में सब सुख पाओगे, सब सुख पाओगे। निर्मला माँ के शरण में, निर्मला माँ के शरण में सब सुख पाओगे, सब सुख पाओगे। निर्मला माँ के शरण में। देर न करो अब शरण में आवो, देर न करो अब शरण में आवो, देर न करो अब शरण में आवो। अंतिम निर्णय होने वाला, देर न करो अब शरण में आवो। अंतिम निर्णय होने वाला, सहजियों के बात मानो, सहजियों के बात मानो। निर्मला माँ के शरण में, 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 निर्मला 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 माँ के शरण में। तोम तनन देर ना 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 तन दिर ना तन दिर ना तन दिर ना तोम तनन देर ना तोम तनन देर ना तन दिर ना तन दिर ना तन दिर ना तोम तनन देर ना तोम तनन देर ना तोम तनन दिर न दिर न तोम तनन देर। यललि यललि यालललोम यललि यललि यालललोम तोम तान तदरदानि यललि यललि यालललोम तोम तनन तदरदानि। धाकिट तक धुम किट तक धित्ता किडनक तोम तोम धाकिट तक धुम किट तक धित्ता किडनक तोम गामरि सनिद मदनि सनिद बमगरिद मदनि सनिद बमगरिद मदनि सनिद बमगरिद तो तनन देर ना तोम तनन देर ना तन देर ना தனதிரனா தனதிரனா தோம் தனனதேரனா தோம் தனனதேர भागेश्वरी मातु उद्धार करने को आए भागेश्वरी मातु उद्धार करने को आए सब ऋषि मुनि योगी आज दर्शन पाने को आए तोम तनन देर ना तोम तनन देर ना तन देर ना तन देर ना तन देर ना तोम तनन देर ना तोम तनन देर ना तोम तनन देर ना
Invite on stage now Shri Durga Prasad Garu for telling us something about self-realization and Sahaj Yoga introduction.
Enjoy the music, but when you get your self-realization, the enjoyment exponentially increases. The subtleties of understanding whatever the music it may be, either it is classical or whatever the genre it may be, you will start to enjoy it in a multiple dimensions. So in Sahaj Yoga, what we call it as, it works in 4 dimensions. First dimension is physical. Then comes the mental dimension. Then the emotional, then spiritual. Typically, when we listen to music, it either goes into physical, mental, emotional. Some of the ragas will take you to the emotional side and you think that you are crying. But when you in Sahaj Yoga, the various ragas that are there, that what we have in our classical music, they start to help you to reach the penultimate state where you enjoy the music even at spiritual level. So I wanted to just bring a couple of important aspects in front of you. And there is something called as self-realization in Sahaj Yoga. What is self-realization? It's a knowing thyself. Knowing thyself, when we say, we are talking about either this body or this mind, or who we are talking, thyself. Typically, we know in Indian culture, when we talk about I am the spirit, that's what we say. But we never experience that. But in Sahaj Yoga, today, for most of people who are new to Sahaj Yoga, it is a fortunate day that you will experience the spirit and as well as the meditative state and the effect of music as well. So in us, there is something called as a subtle system that exists that you can see here. When we say subtle system, this is the gross body that you see. The subtle system, what you see here, is a system that controls you, your emotional, mental, spiritual, and physical aspects. This is the key for the ultimate. But many of us do not know what is this. So it consists of broadly 7 energy centers, or bunch of nerves, you can call them, and then 3 energy channels, which actually defines the trait of the person. When we say what kind of person he is, if you see, some people are very, what you call workaholics. They get stress, they will also give stress to others. It's not only that, they, not even in the office, even at home also, they give stress to people. So those people are what we call it as the right-sided people in Sahaj Yoga, are the people with Pingala Nadi traits or challenges, where the person is much more aggressive. But when it comes to the other channel, what you see on the Ida Nadi, on the left, what you see in blue, this is the people who are kind of self-destructive, always thinking small about themselves. So when you look at the middle portion, we call it as Sushumna Nadi. The middle portion is where we have to stay, neither aggressive, neither passive, neither in the past, neither in the future. So you can see here the traits of a individual, typically how they behave with this kind of, if somebody has a lot of strong right side or left side. When we say right side, it is the Pingala Nadi, left side, it is the Ida Nadi. So with that, there is an important aspect, what we say is self-realization. We talked about self-realization earlier. There is an energy within us which is there, which is called as Kundalini energy, that you can see a spiraling energy right at the bottom of our spine in a triangular bone. This energy resides for each and every human, irrespective of caste, creed, whatever it is. If he is a human, then this particular energy is there. This energy gets into this human when he is in his mother womb in a 2 to 3 months, and this energy creates what we call as these 7 energy centers and these energy channels. So, but the moment I start to say, I am so and so, what will happen is the connection from this energy to the ultimate energy severs. We will not no longer connected. In Sahaj Yoga, by the grace of Shimataji, the moment you ask that I want this connection, connection with whom? Connection with the all-pervading energy. All-pervading energy, irrespective of religion, whatever the religion you belong. So there is the energy which is running the show, entire universe. Every day the sun is coming up, we are getting up, going to work, nicely coming back and enjoying our life. This is all being managed by somebody, but we don't know who is that. Let's call them as all-pervading energy. So when this Kundalini energy is raised and taken through the center channel that you see at the middle, through the center channel, when you take it and connect it to the all-pervading energy, then we call that is the first step of realization or self-realization. This is the first step where we start to meditate. When we say meditate, typically we think that we just put both the hands open or closed in mudras and just sit there. Close your eyes. That's what people say. Don't think anything. Is it possible that we can't think? It is not possible to just stop the thoughts, isn't it? But the moment the Kundalini energy rises and crosses the optical chasma on our forehead, what will happen is our thoughts will completely stop. You can experience that tonight. So, without much ado, let's go to this process called as self-realization. For this, I would urge you to just the sitting posture. You can see both the feet apart on the ground without touching each other, and open both the hands the way you see on the picture. So this is the posture that we sit. I would request that you all sit in a relaxed and without thinking anything outside this area. Just be here. And then the next, I'll show you the steps. Please follow me. And then we will do this by closing the eyes. So the first step is that our left hand is always on our left knee open, and the right hand is on our heart. So again, when you look at the picture here, it may be in mirror image. You start to the other way, left hand and always open and on your knees, right hand on the heart. So this is the step 1. Then we go to step 2. Just see this. We'll put it on the corner of our neck and shoulder and turn our head towards the right side. So this is the second step. The third step, we open our right hand, put it on our forehead. Our forehead. Just see here. And bend our head forward. Then the next step is put the same hand, right hand, at the back of the head. Back of the head. The last step is very, very important. We stretch our fingers. The center of the palm, we'll put it on the center of the head. And bend our head a little bit forward. And press it hard. Rotate in clockwise direction. With the skin on our top of the head. With the skin. The skin on our top of the head should rotate along with our hand. In the clockwise direction. Remember that. Clockwise, when I say, I start from the back, go to the left, come to the front, then to the right, and to the back. So that is the clockwise direction. So, clockwise direction. So, these are the 5 steps that we do. That's it. And then we'll see whether our thoughts will stop. The moment our thought stops, stress will automatically reduce. Typically, most of the people employed, we work throughout the day at the office, come back. That stress is either go to the family members or to somebody else. But when you come back and do 10-15 minutes meditation at home, what will happen is that stress is not transferred to the wife or to the kids or somebody else. Okay? So, this is very, very important for all of us to reboot ourselves every day, strengthen ourselves. Let's say in the morning going to the office, take the energy and what you call rejuvenate yourself, come back, again do the meditation. So that's how it is done. So let's start without delaying because we have to enjoy the music. To enjoy the music, we need self-realization. For that, what you do is put your left hand on the knee, right hand on the heart. Please close your eyes. The reason we close our eyes is to ensure that our attention is not going anywhere else. Our attention is inside. So, let's see what thoughts we are getting. And then we ask a question. Who am I? Shri Mataji, who am I? Ask this question 3 times. Kallu మూసుకొని మీ యొక్క ఎడం చేయిని మోకాల మీద పెట్టారు, కుడి చేయిని హృదయం మీద పెట్టారు. ఇక్కడ మీరు అడగవలసింది శ్రీ మాతయ్య గారిని, శ్రీ మాతాజీ, నేను ఆత్మనా? Afterwards, with full confidence, you just say that Shri Mataji, our mother, I am the spirit. I am the pure spirit. Say 12 times. ఇక్కడ ఏం చెప్పాలంటే ఆ తర్వాత శ్రీ మాతాజీ లేకపోతే అమ్మా నేను ఆత్మను, నేను నిర్మలమైనటువంటి ఆత్మను 12 సార్లు మనసులో చెప్పుకోండి. బట్ కాన్ఫిడెన్స్ ఈజ్ ఇంపార్టెంట్. ఓ మదర్, I am the spirit. I am the pure spirit. Shri Mataji, I am the pure spirit. Then we will go to the next step. We will put our right hand on the corner of our neck and shoulder. నెక్స్ట్ స్టెప్కి వెళ్దామండి. మన యొక్క కుడి చేయిని మెడ మరియు భుజం కలిసే కార్నర్లో పెట్టి తలని కుడివైపు తిప్పుదాం. విల్ టర్న్ అవర్ హెడ్ టువర్డ్స్ ది రైట్ సైడ్. ప్రెస్ ఇట్ హార్డ్ ఆన్ ది కార్నర్ ఆర్ జంక్షన్ ఆఫ్ ది షోల్డర్ అండ్ నెక్. హియర్ వి విల్ సే శ్రీమాతాజీ ఐ యామ్ నాట్ గిల్టీ. ఇక్కడ మనం ఏం చెప్తామంటే నేను నిర్దోషిని. ఈ దోషి భావంతో చాలా ఈ చక్రానికి ఇబ్బంది కలుగుతుంది. అందుకని మనం నిర్మలమైన ఆత్మ కనుక ఎటువంటి దోషభావం లేకుండా నేను నిర్దోషిని అని మనస్ఫూర్తిగా చెప్పండి. ఐ యామ్ నాట్ గిల్టీ విత్ కాన్ఫిడెన్స్. యు జస్ట్ సే దిస్ బికాజ్ వీ జస్ట్ సెడ్ దట్ వీ ఆర్ ది ప్యూర్ స్పిరిట్. శ్రీమాతాజీ ఐ యామ్ నాట్ గిల్టీ. I am not guilty. I am not guilty. Say 16 times. 16 సార్లు చెప్పుకోండి. Then we will take the next step, third step. Put our right hand on the forehead. Bend our head forward. మన యొక్క కుడి చేయిని మన యొక్క నుదుటి మీద పెట్టుకొని తలని ముందుకు ఉంచి తలనొప్పి వచ్చినప్పుడు ఎలా అయితే రెండు పక్కల నుంచి నొక్కుంటామో అలా నొక్కుతూ శ్రీమాతాజీ నేను అందరినీ క్షమిస్తున్నాను. నన్ను నేను క్షమించుకుంటున్నాను. We will press from both the sides and say that Shrimataji, I forgive everyone. I forgive myself. If you don't forgive, this chakra won't open and Kundalini cannot move upwards. If you just keep this grudge with somebody else, we will be the sufferer, not the others. వేరే వాళ్ళ మీద కోపం ఉంచుకుంటే ఇబ్బంది పడేది మనం, వాళ్ళు కాదు. అందుకని దయచేసి ప్రపంచంలో అందరినీ ఒక్కసారిగా మనస్ఫూర్తిగా శ్రీమాతాజీ నేను అందరినీ క్షమిస్తున్నాను, నన్ను నేను క్షమించుకుంటున్నాను. శ్రీమాతాజీ ఐ ఫర్గివ్ ఎవ్రీవన్. I forgive everyone and I forgive myself because I am no longer guilty. I am the pure spirit. We will go to fourth step. Put the right hand at the back of the head. Bend our head backwards. And say this without guilt within us. O all-pervading energy, if I have committed any mistakes, knowingly or unknowingly, against you, kindly forgive me. కుడి చేయిని తల వెనకాల పెట్టి తలని వెనక్కి వంచి ఆకాశం వైపు చూస్తున్నట్టుగా చూస్తూ కళ్ళు మూసుకొని ఓ పరమాత్మ, మీ ఎడల తెలిసి కానీ తెలియక కానీ ఏవైనా తప్పులు చేసి ఉంటే దయచేసి క్షమించండి. 2 సార్లు చెప్పుకుందాం ఇది మనసులో. 2 times we will say this. Bend our head forward. Rotate the skin on top of your head along with the hand in clockwise direction. Close your eyes and ask Shri Mataji. మీ చేయిని బాగా చాచి అరచేతిని మన తల మధ్యలో మాడు మీద పెట్టి తలను కొద్ది ముందుకు వంచి గట్టిగా నొక్కి తల మీద చర్మంతో సహా మన యొక్క చేతిని క్లాక్వైజ్ డైరెక్షన్లో తిప్పుతూ శ్రీ మాతాజీ దయచేసి నాకు ఆత్మ సాక్షాత్కారం ప్రసాదించండి. ఇది 7 సార్లు మీరు అడగాలి. You have to ask this 7 times. Shri Mataji, kindly give me my self-realization. Now you bring down your right hand into the lap. Close your eyes, don't open. మన కుడి చేతిని మోకాళ్ళ మీద పెట్టుకుందాం. Just observe within yourself if you see the thoughts or not. Top of the head, a 1-inch gap, and raise it a little bit higher and see if you feel anything that is coming out of your head. మన తల మీద ఒక 1 inch పైన ఎడమ చేయిని పెట్టి పైకి కిందకి నెమ్మదిగా తీసుకువెళ్తూ మన చేతికి ఏమన్నా తగులుతోందా, చల్లగా కానీ వేడిగా కానీ గమనించండి. ఇప్పుడు కుడి చేత్తో ప్రయత్నిద్దాం. రెండు చేతులు మోకాళ్ళ మీద పెట్టుకొని తెరిచి ఉంచి రెండు చేతుల్లో ఎలాంటి అనుభూతి కలుగుతుందో గమనిద్దాం. చల్లగా ఉందా, వేడిగా ఉందా? We'll just put both the hands in our knee and observe if our hands are cool, hot, or tingling, heaviness, a gentle breeze of cool air or hot air